Look, these elections better be good. I know what I'm saying. We're on the cliff edge. Nigerians can see the clear difference between Obimi and between the others. And Nigerians are feeling what they are feeling. Come and do something differently is between you and Nigerians. I don't know that answer.
More than 48 hours
Look,
after the presidential election in Nigeria held, the electoral umpire failed in their promise to upload results from the polling units. The people are accusing them of manipulation. The people are accusing them of sabotage. There are cases where people were disenfranchised. There are cases of violence. There are cases of rigging. And to me, this is the worst election in Nigerian history. Who is to blame? And what is the way forward? The youth came out en masse to vote for the presidential candidate of their choice in Peter Obi. All they asked for was for a change in status quo. They needed something to change in the insecurity in Nigeria. They needed something to change about the economic downturn of Nigeria. But what did they get in return? Despair, disappointment, and return in status quo. Who is to blame for this? We know that at the end of the day, the truth must prevail. Who will ever believe that Peter Obi will defeat Bola Tinubu in his backyard, Lagos State? Who will ever believe that the governor of Enugu State, Governor Ugwuanyi, will lose his senatorial bid to a Labour Party candidate, Okeza, who for the last 16 years has been running for that position but failing? Peter Obi is a phenomenon that has come to stay in Nigerian politics because he believes that you don't have to steal money for you to enrich the generation yet unborn. Take it or leave it. The truth must stand. People's will must be respected. Inec, you have raped democracy, and this is unacceptable. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. Nigeria is a great country, and regardless of what anybody says, Nigeria is bigger than any individual. Thank you.